Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's start this video looking at the map for just a moment. Let's focus mainly on Texas. The last video we covered all of Texas, and of course that happened over a couple of day period, but we started back here in Louisiana around Shreveport, and we got into Texas there through the Dallas and Fort Worth area. And I think that's where we stopped on day one. Day two, we went from there roughly down here to somewhere around Midland, Texas. I think to Wickett, Texas, where we found that $12 campground with full hookups. And then day three, we finished coming out Interstate 20 down here, where it terminates onto Interstate 10, and took Interstate 10 up to El Paso, and to where we just crossed into across the state line into New Mexico. Well, what we did was, and that's where we ended the video. So, and what we did was we went ahead and pressed on that afternoon and evening on out to Deming, New Mexico. So that is where we're going to start this video at, and so let's get to it. We made it to Deming, New Mexico yesterday and stayed at this Walmart. This is going to be one of the friendlier RV friendly and big rig friendly Walmarts. There's these out here, and then there's plenty more back behind us. Getting ready to get on the road this morning. I have that set for somewhere in Phoenix. That's gonna be a bit of a stretch, but we'll see what happens. We had a good day yesterday. Maybe it'll happen today, but yeah, we're getting ready to leave this morning and get back on the road. Not a whole lot of traffic at 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:05. The best deal in for gas in Deming, New Mexico is $2.84 a gallon. So, still not bad, not bad. It'll get a little higher in Arizona. All right, let's roll, huh? I just missed the sign. It said, "Welcome to Arizona." It is 6:33 a.m. So, okay, we're in Arizona. We're gonna be here a while. Pretty busy rest area. I'm gonna stop and take a little break, let Bella out. Usually after, we've been on the road for, I don't know, an hour and a half or so. Oh, good. Wow, and this travel trailer's taking up 2 spaces. How nice. Huh. I think we can squeeze in over here. First, I'm going to take up 5 of these little spots. We're just going to be here a minute, though, and let Bella out. And I've already made up my mind. If I have to drive a little bit extra today, I'm going to. But we're going to get out of these areas that have those stickers. Bella's had 2 in her foot already this morning. So far, so good here. But they're around. We just got lucky here. Well, for now. I'm not going to speak too soon. She can pick one up at any minute. Yeah, but we're going to continue on. And, I think once we get up to like Phoenix area, they're gone. Maybe sooner, but we're just gonna go today. I think Tucson's out that a ways. Yep, and that sun is gonna be peeking over pretty dang soon. All right, we'll be coming up to Texas Canyon here shortly, and it's just a fascinating area. To me, it's really unique. It has a bunch of huge boulders. Just for a short area. Like here for miles and miles and miles, it's just this plain kind of featureless desert. And when you get to Texas Canyon, I gotta wonder what, some kind of major geological event occurred that created just this short area of all these huge boulders. So we'll be up there, we'll be there shortly. This happens just like all of a sudden. You drop over this hill, and well, you see him off to the right there, and then this whole area for, I think, about a half a mile, maybe a mile. And look at the rocks up there on the right. But we'll kind of be going down through them here. Yeah, I'm glad we stopped, took a break back where we did, because this area is just awful with those, I don't know, those goat heads. I call them sticklers. Whatever they are not kind to Bella's feet. Yeah, how crazy is that it's just plain desert, and then all of a sudden you come through this area where these big giant boulders stick out. And just for this short area too. We'll be out of them here in like another minute. It's crazy. Oh, and there are signs here that says defacing rocks is unlawful. So yeah, don't be painting graffiti all over. It happened in a couple areas. They had to post them signs. This might be the last big set of them up here. Yeah, we have about 30 miles, I think, left to go to Tucson. I think, roughly. So we're making good time this morning, covering some ground. Oh, here's a big setup here. Yeah, what kind of conditions had to be present? Yeah, that made these big rocks. Big boulders. And that's about it. Start out over this hill right here, and they kind of just go away. Oh, here's a sign up here. A little bit further to Tucson than I thought. Tucson, 59 miles. Yeah, the boulders are kind of gone. The Texas Canyon, that's called. Stopped on the way into Tucson. The town, the city's up that way. We're on the south end of Tucson. Stopped here at the Pilot, Flying J. Got gas. We burned out pretty near a whole tank this morning. And how far did we make it? From 5:30 to we got here about 8:40. So on the road a little over 3 hours from Deming, New Mexico to Tucson, Arizona. I'm starting to think it's within reach. We could make it to Quartzsite today. It's early enough. It's a few more miles that I've been driving. The last 2 days have been big. We might actually get there a day. If we go today, we'll actually be there 2 days sooner than I originally projected, guessed, estimated. If we stay over, if we just go most of the way and call it and go in the morning, we'll still be a day early. We're doing okay after all. Took Bella out for a little bit, and it was nice. She didn't pick up any of them sticky things and goat heads here. So that maybe we're far enough west that we won't have any more of those. That would be nice. Yeah, gas was only $2.85 a gallon here.
Take the next left toward South Rita Road, then turn left onto South Rita Road.
So maybe it just gets more expensive out in western Arizona. Still not too bad here. So an extra 5 cents off with my Flying J card, so I only paid $2.80.
Turn left onto South Rita Road, then use the right lane to take the I-10 West ramp.
Only paid $2.80 a gallon. All right, how many lanes do we need? Interstate 10 to Los Angeles. But we're not going quite that far. No. We're just passing through the Phoenix area now. Yeah, we're just contemplating to carry on. I don't know what it is, another 100 miles, 120 miles maybe, to Quartzsite. Don't know. It got to be too much.
we ended up pulling over here on the west end of Phoenix for the afternoon. It just got too hot. In the afternoon, the sun's in the west. It's going through those big wind chills. I've mentioned that before, how hot that is. I just couldn't take it anymore. So now the sun's about gone. The sun has set. I think it's safe to get back on our way. But we're not gonna, you know, we have like 2 hours. I think it's pretty close to 2 hours to go. So we'll be arriving at camp. Well, I think we're still gonna make it, but we'll be arriving at camp after dark, obviously. So I think we're gonna call it on this one. We'll probably come back in the next video at camp, chilling, right? All right, me and Bella's gonna hit it. I'll see you next time.